All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this really easy dollar origami house. If you're in real estate, lending, banking, finance, come on, this is a pretty cool model to have. And it's easy to make. And it does stand on your desk. Your clients see that, they're going to be like, yeah, I can work with this one. All right, let me show you how this is made. Okay, we're going to start off with a dollar bill, or in my case, a $2 bill. And we're going to fold it in half lengthwise. So I'll line up this edge, corner to corner. And when I'm happy, I will crease this down. Then I'm going to open this up with the crease folded up. And I'm going to take this edge and I'm going to fold it right along this crease line. It's the crease we just made. Now crease that down. Then I will flip this over. Then I'm going to take this bottom edge and I'm going to go about 1/4 of the way up this paper and fold it in. So, US dollar bills, that's right about the neckline. So I will crease that down and reinforce it. I'll do the same thing to this side. So I'll lift that up and I will crease that down. Go ahead and reinforce that. All right, so at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to find these two flaps here and we're going to do a squash fold. So we're going to open these up. We're going to line up that crease with the edge of the paper and fold those down. Do the same thing to both sides. Just like that. Okay, so at this point what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold this edge along this edge of the paper. So it's going to look like this. I will crease that down. Go ahead and give that a good reinforcement because I want that to lay flat. All right, we're going to do the same thing with this side. So I'm going to take this edge here, fold it along this edge, and I know it's going to come past this middle point. It's actually going to bleed into here. So what we're going to do is we'll fold this. This lower part here is what's important. So once we get that, we will crease that down. Give this a good reinforcement there so that lays flat. Okay, so at this point what we're going to do is we're going to take this bottom edge and fold it up so that the edge meets the tip. And then I will crease this down. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to open this up and then we're going to lift this flap and then we're going to take this piece, we're going to fold it in underneath all the way to that crease line and crease that down. Just like that. We're going to fold this back and when we turn it over, you'll see we have the house. Now, to make the house stand, because right now it won't stand, it's just flat, you can lay it down and it's fine, but to make it stand, what we're going to do is we're going to go back just a little bit of the paper and we will crease this down. We want a good crease here. Then we're going to go back the other direction, so that's our original fold. That's the one we just made. We're going to go past about that same distance. We can do it. And we're going to crease that down. Okay, so now we have 3 creases. So we get that one, we got this far one, then the middle one we just made. What we're going to do is we're going to just kind of curve that in. Okay, now because the camera is pointing straight down, if I stand it up, you won't be able to see it, but you can see that there's a flat bottom. It will stand, but to show you what it would look like, there it is. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please click the like and subscribe, and